Bro, what are you doing? Oh shit!
Oh my god, my sneezes actually look like a gun.
What do you mean, dude?
But it
Bruh.
looks awesome.
What the heck are you doing, motherfucker?
I can't explain.
Get the fuck out of here!
Fine. I cannot believe his voice. He was so rude and mean. But look at him. He was so stupid and ugly and motherfucking
Hey, buddy, why are you so mad?
I don't know, Pink. I think Red was starting to abuse me, but I really need a gun.
You look like sneezing? As a gun?
Yeah, but when I was sneezing as a gun, then Red was like, oh shit. Then he was starting to say, get out of here. Then I looks like a weird sneezing guy. Look at me. I'm still homeless and loneliness. I need help.
Okay, it's time to remove your bullets in your mouth.
Wait, really? To add a new saliva into cyan? Really, dude?
Yeah, but I'm gonna help you.
Thanks, old buddy, old pal. Do it faster, Pink!
I'm trying!
Woo! There's too much bullets in my mouth. Luckily, I have a new saliva.
Now you could sneeze into water. A new saliva.
Cyan waterfall, really, dude? Okay. Achoo! Oh, that actually worked. Thanks, Pink.
You're welcome, buddy.
Bye-bye. Hey, Red, I didn't sneeze any bullets, so can I try to sneeze?
Sure, dude, but be careful.
Achoo! Oh. Well, Red, I'm sorry to apologize, but you're acting like a rude, selfish person, so you need to get out right now.
What? But I didn't do anything. I thought you sneezed into bullets.
Get out now!
B-
Get out now, you son of a bitch!
Why is he actual rude? Wow!
Yeah, dude. Now cry like a baby, you son of a bitch. What? Why am I turning myself into a robot? Help me! Help me! Help me! Oh my god, I'm a half robot now. What am I gonna do? Help! Help!
Help. Like and subscribe to turn me into a human. I'm scared. No.
Oh, I'm a human now. Thanks, guys, for saving me.